This trick comes from an artist named Thomas Romain. If you don't know him, Thomas Romain is a French animator best known for co-creating Code Lyoko and has worked on projects like Oban Star Racers, Space Squash, Carol and Tuesday, Space Dandy, and doing some really fun drawing challenges on his YouTube channel with his kids. If you already know the basics of 1 and 2 point perspective, this is gonna blow you away with how much of a time saver this trick is. But it really only works if you're working digitally. This is such a good trick because it'll help you make better art, faster. I want to make changes to the building in the first panel of my comic, so I'll show you how I do it using this trick. First, I draw a flat image of the building I want. Because this is going to be in a 2 point perspective, I draw the front and side view as flat, 2D images. Next, I'll skew them to the perspective I want. Once I'm happy with the perspective, I clean it up. There's going to be parts of this building that need to be fleshed out, like windows, ledges, doors, etc. This is where your perspective know-how fills in the gaps. But what if your building has some trickier elements like a sloping roof, for example? Mr. Romain's tutorial covers it. Not in detail, but you can figure it out by seeing how he does it. He goes over a number of tips and tricks for drawing things in perspective. They're really helpful. I'll leave a link for it as a pinned comment for you to check out. Hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching and God bless.